name is Shay Valentine, and I'm a fourth-year civil engineering student at PKI. Last summer and fall, I had a co-op at Union Pacific, and then I continued to intern with them while I took classes here in the spring. I applied to my internship at Union Pacific when they came to UNO for a career fair. Besides resources like career fairs, Husker HireLink, and company websites, personal connections are also a great way to find internship opportunities. I have an internship this summer in Montana that came from expressing interest to a connection that I made through working at Union Pacific. I felt prepared for success in the application process because I had spent a lot of time perfecting my resume and working on my interview skills. I had my resume reviewed by career advisors like Jen, by professors, by engineers in fields that I was interested in, and also by HR representatives. Getting a lot of knowledgeable feedback gave me confidence in presenting my past experience to potential employers. Just the thought of being interviewed makes me nervous, so in order to feel confident in presenting myself, I practiced a lot. I looked up potential interview questions and practiced them with my family and with college staff and also just in front of the mirror. I got a lot out of my internship because the things I focused on were learning a lot, contributing as much as I could, and really valuing the feedback I was given by both my supervisors and my coworkers. It was also important to me to know about my resources, both what was available online and what the company offered, and then also learning about the interests and skills of my team members so that I could learn as much as I could from them. The biggest things that I'm taking away from my internship are the relationships I built and my awareness of the many different jobs that fall under the title of engineer.